Most SEO projects don't fail because the business is weak. They fail because the business is invisible. That was the case with Griffin Group, a UK property development and investment firm operating across Essex and Southeast England. They had active projects, real buyers, real investors. But in search results, they were sitting just outside visibility. Ranking on page 2, missing local intent and leaving opportunity on the table. Through a white label partnership with Social Land, we stepped in to fix what was holding performance back, quietly, methodically, and with precision. We cleaned up inconsistent metadata, strengthened internal structure, implemented proper schema, and rebuilt local relevance around high-intent property searches. No flashy tactics, just discipline, local SEO done properly. Within 3 months, momentum started to compound. Organic sessions increased by 16%, users grew by 12%, and priority local keywords moved up by as much as 7 positions into visibility where buyers actually search. Engagement improved, return visits increased, and search traffic finally matched the scale of the business. This wasn't about chasing rankings. It was about removing friction between intent and discovery. If your business is strong offline but underperforming in local search, that's exactly the gap we helped close.